What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is Tuesday morning here. Take a look at the NASDAQ. Dropped off this morning here at 28K all the way down to about 27.6, about a 400-point drop. Has some decent range right now, which is nice. See if we can take advantage of that. Found some support, and then we just broke above that resistance there. So we'll see what they want to do here. Hourly, we have been trending down. So daily, that's a 4-hour. Daily here, try to put in another wick and support. Weekly, yeah, they're just trying to keep buying this up, then it keeps getting sold off here. 4-hour pushing back into the 9. We'll see how high they want to run this here. Interesting spot. Potentially would have been targeting this high here of a break, which we just did. So let's see what sets up. Maybe we can get a little bit of continuation. I mean, these candles are pretty big here. One 15-minute candle is about 100 points, which is kind of insane. So we're really only trying to catch 40 points here. This 5 minutes so far has given us 20 or so. So just have to be right here for about one 5-minute candle seems to be the play. So let's see how difficult that is here today, and we'll see you guys on the first trade.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try this long here. 5-minute retesting back in, lower time frames, 1 minute coming into the 9. See if we can keep holding that previous candle highs here in this uptrend. See what they want to do. Really just trying to get in for the momentum with this long. We did break this, so I'm hoping we can hold this and get a little bit more of a continuation push here. But so far, looks like we're just going straight through that. I'm gonna give it till 5:05. Just watching the 1 minute and 2 here. Coming right into the 9. Want to give it last shot. Man, we just got in right before it sliced down, huh? Hoping for this to hold here. That previous 5 minute, that high. Didn't want to get stopped out right on that level there. So we'll give it till 500 here. Like always, more aggressive on the evals. That will be as much as I'm going to risk. We'll see if this one opens and pushes lower through this.
Order filled.
Yeah, stopped out on that. Not a great setup. Really was just looking at, got over these levels here, closed a 5 minute. That kind of lines up with that 5 minute high. See if we could just hold this and get one more continuation candle out of it. Of course, we get tagged out there. It barely reached for it. Now we're pushing back up here. I do want to be along in this market. I mean, you can see, I mean, we are just going up right here. No reason to look for a short. No signs yet. Yeah, unfortunate. Stopped out on that one there at what, 11.5. Basically at the bottom of this candle. The bottom was 10.5, so 1 point. And we already moved it to give us another $100 worth of room there. So that sucks. It is pushing back up here. We retested that 15 minute rather than the 5. So that's how it is, I guess. Unfortunate there that it's kind of going without us here. New 5 minute candle is about to open. We'll see if anything sets up there for us in about a minute, or we probably will just wait until top of the hour on this one. So yeah, let's wait. Let's see if we get a little bit more criteria here for a better setup.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try this short. I know I said I wouldn't. I think we're gonna run through this candle right here. Pushed up here, broke both these highs. I think we can at least get a quicker move. If I'm wrong, I mean, we're basically risking the rest of the DLL here. I think we can get this drop back down. New 5-minute candle here. Openings. If we push up a little bit into this and then get rejected back down. There's the pop. Now let's see if they sell it off that. See if they can flip this back red and start running it down. There we go. Selling coming in, getting basically that flip on the 5-minute that I was looking for, that pop higher, retest into these levels, and then flip red on us here. Let's see if we can get filled here on an order at 21.25. Just need a little bit more off this. Oh man, hit 21.5. Come on.
Order filled.
Nice. Nice, good trade. Identified that there. Was looking for longs, but identified kind of stalling out here after breaking these highs. Failing to just keep making those higher highs and higher lows. And you can see we got follow through on the market. Drop back down there. Put in this nice full body here candle with that wick. Near the top. Open like just the candle structure and the way that we broke this. And then came back down, closed. And then the 5-minute, just while we were within the trade, confirmed it, or at least added to it. So this 5-minute candle was the one that broke the high, closed within the previous candle. And then the next one here opened, pushed back into that high here, and then flip red on us. And really, in the grand scheme of things, all we're doing is just, we're in an uptrend, but at least since 10:10 in the morning. But really, we're just retesting that 9 momentum EMA here on the 5-minute, so it's nothing too crazy. But zoomed in here on a 1-minute, 2-minute chart, you know, a little bit of a drop off there under the moving averages. 1 loss, 1 win. The win was bigger than the loss. We're up 342 on the day. We're gonna leave it there. Keep taking the green days as they come. No over trading. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, leave it down in the comments below. If you have any comments, comment down below. Like, subscribe. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. That's pretty cool. Yeah, and we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Trade well.